Assalamu alaikum to all of my students. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to take three concepts: total fixed cost, total variable cost, and total cost. Total cost. Yes, these are the three concepts which I am going to take today. Total fixed cost, total variable cost, total cost. What we call total fixed cost? First one, total fixed cost. This is also one of the important. These are also one of the important concepts as per the examination point of view. Total fixed cost, total variable cost, total cost. Total fixed cost means it is the cost incurred by the producer upon building, building machinery, yes, means hiring a building or hiring a machinery or purchasing building or machinery as expenditure. For example, rent, it is a fixed cost. Purchasing a machinery from the market, this is also a fixed. This is also a fixed factor. Building is also a fixed. Land, for example, land is also a fixed factor. Means hiring these factors by the producer incurred expenditure, as he has to pay expenditure, amount of money and expenditure. Definitely that cost we call total fixed cost. Means expenditure incurred upon land, building, machinery, these are fixed factors. For hiring these factors, that we call total fixed cost. This total sum of upon fixed factor, land, building, machinery, that we call total fixed cost. I will write total fixed cost refers to a cost incurred by producer for hiring or purchase of fixed factors, like land, land, building, machinery, and plant. And plant. The expense incurred upon these factors, definitely these can we call total fixed cost. As expenditure incurred on fixed factors does not change with the volume of output, as their payment is made on as fixed, that will remain fixed. That will not change with the volume of output. That payment made by the producer, that will remain fixed. If output changes, but payment made by the producer will not change, as it is fixed. That is why we call total fixed cost. I will show it with the help of schedule and diagram. For example, this is units. This is total fixed cost. For example, units are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fixed cost. This will be 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Your output. Output. For example, you are observing this schedule. Total fixed cost 10, 10, 10. It is continuously the same. It does not change with the change in inputs. Fixed factors. I will draw. This is y. This is 0. This is x. Yes. What will the fixed cost curve look like? This is the fixed cost. Total fixed cost curve. This fixed cost curve. Yes. For example, here I will write 10. This is total fixed cost curve. Total fixed cost curve. Total fixed cost curve. As cost does not change with the volume of output. Volume of output can change. Now, total variable cost. What we call total variable cost. Second one. Total variable cost. Similarly, total variable cost, I will write total variable cost refers to cost refers to expenditure. Total variable cost refers to expenditure incurred by producer for hiring or hiring or use of hiring or use of hiring or use of factors of production. Total variable cost refers to expense incurred by producer for hiring or use of variable factors of variable factors of production. As variable factors change with the volume of output. The volume of output, like labor wages, salary. Yes, wages, salary. Wear and tear of machines. And this change with the change in as labor. If we take labor as a variable factor, simply it changes with the passage of time. And during peak hours, during seasonal hours, definitely if we it will be wages will be paid for around 300 in season in peak hours, and labor demand is more. Definitely it will be it will demand definitely, for example, 700 rupees. It changes the level of output as compared to fixed factors. If they did not change, it change the level of output. Now I will draw the schedule, what we call, for example, units or output. Here I will write total variable factors. Total variable factors. For units will be, for example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. The variable factors, for example, 0, 10, 18, 24, 28, yes, 32, 38. As we know, variable factors change. And in previous schedule, this was kept constant, 10, 10, 10, 10, fixed. But in total variable factors, 10, 18, 24, 28, 32, total variable factors change with the change in level of output. Now I will draw the total variable factor. For example, I will draw here 0, 10, yes, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, up to 40. This is y. Now I will draw the variable, total variable cost curve. First is 0. Here I will write for understudy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I will draw the total variable cost curve. First is 0. This will be 0. Then is 10 at first. First is 10. I will draw here. Then 18. Add to here is 18. 20. Here will be 18. Then 24. Add 3. Here will be 24. Then 28. Then 28. Then 32. 35. Here will be 32. Of 38. Here will be 38. Now I will join. This total variable cost curve. Total variable cost. It starts from 0. Total variable cost curve. Now, what we call total fixed cost? Yes, total cost. Total cost. What we call total cost. Total cost. Total cost is a summation of total fixed cost and total variable cost. Total cost is the summation of total fixed cost and total variable cost. Total variable cost. Summation of means it is equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost. That is equal to total cost. Now I will show you in the same schedule what we call total cost. Total variable cost. Now total cost. Total cost. total cost. Total cost here will be, here I will write one more table, add one more, yes, total cost, it is total fixed cost. Here I will write total fixed cost. Total fixed cost. As total fixed cost is 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Now, what we call total cost. It is total fixed cost plus total variable cost. Total variable cost plus total fixed cost. Here, at first, yes, here will be 10, for example. Then 10, 10 will be 20. Here will be 10, 18 will be 28. Here will be 20, 34. Here will be 38. Here will be 42. Here will be 48. 48. This will be the, as total cost is total fixed cost plus total variable cost. That will arrive total cost. Now I will draw total cost curve. As we know, this is total fixed cost curve, this is total variable cost curve. This total cost curve will start from this, from 10. As total cost is 10, it will start from this. Here is 10. A total fixed cost curve. As total fixed cost is starts from 10. Means 10, then 20. I will draw, for example, here is 30 at first. Here will 20. Then 28. For this 35. Second, here will be, this is, yes, this is 20 for at first here. This is 20. This is 20. This will be the 20. Then 28. This will be 28. Then 34. This is 35. This will be 34. Then 38. 35. This will be 38. Then 42. This is 40. This will be 42. Here 40, 45, 50. Then this will be, yes, 38. This will be 42. This will be 48. This is 50. This will be 48. Yes. Now I will join. This is total cost curve. This total cost curve. And this is total cost, this total variable cost, this total fixed cost curve. Now, for understanding purpose, I will show here. We are writing total cost is equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost. For example, if we had to calculate, for example, total fixed cost, we have to calculate total fixed cost. What will be this will, as we are reading, left hand side and right hand side. For example, we have to calculate total fixed cost. then total fixed cost will be here, total fixed cost. This will be total cost minus total variable cost. If we have to calculate total variable cost, then this will be total cost minus total fixed cost. Meaning we can calculate from this total cost, we can calculate total variable cost. From total variable cost, we can calculate total fixed cost, as just like I show here. If we had to calculate, these are three important points. For example, total cost is equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost. For example, we had to calculate only total fixed cost, then this will be equal to total cost minus total variable cost. For example, we have to calculate total variable cost, then this will be equal to total cost minus total fixed cost. Then we write total variable cost. For example, in graph, this is total fixed cost, this is total variable cost. If we had to calculate for the total cost, definitely we have total cost is equal to this total fixed this area plus this area. We will get total cost. But we have to calculate total variable cost, then total fixed cost, total cost minus this area minus this area, there will remain total variable cost. If we have to calculate total fixed cost, then total cost minus total variable cost, here will remain total fixed cost. Then we have to focus on area. We can easily calculate if we have to calculate total, yes, total fixed cost and total variable cost. I think it is enough for today. Yes, in coming lecture I will take total average cost, that we call rectangle hyperbola, that I will discuss in next lecture. Till that time, hope for the best. Take care. Thanks. Have a nice day.